You've been tired a lot lately.
I just have a lot on my mind.
Do you still want me?
No one prepares you for this part of marriage,
When you love someone deeply
but suddenly don't feel desired by them anymore.
and you're too afraid to ask what changed. Careful, it's hot.
You used to like that.
I still do.
It doesn't start with rejection,
It starts with response time.
half-second delays,
That's a red flag. Less eye contact,
less enthusiasm.
and nobody talks about it.
Wait, I'm just finishing something.
This is where overthinking begins. Not because something happened, but because something changed.
And no one explains why. He starts thinking, I'm not attractive anymore.
What changed?
Why does intimacy feel like pressure lately? I love him, so why don't I feel the same spark?
When you're dating, you're pursuing.
When you're married, you're adjusting.
And adjustment feels different than excitement, especially in the first year.
You've been quiet lately.
Just tired.
And that's how the first crack appears. Not from betrayal, not from lack of love.
But from misinterpretation. One feels unwanted, the other feels pressured.
You okay?
Yeah.
After a few quiet rejections,
Initiation becomes risky.
so he protects himself by pretending he doesn't need it.
But he does. Alshi feels it too. His distance, and her mind starts telling a different story. He's not attracted anymore. When really, he's just tired of feeling unsure.
And neither knows the other feels it too. So they protect themselves.
Did I change? Intimacy doesn't disappear suddenly. It fades when effort feels unsafe, when reaching feels risky.
When vulnerability feels exposed, so both people start acting fine while quietly feeling unwanted.
Daniel, can I ask you something?
Sure.
Do you still find me attractive?
What? Of course I do.
Then why does it feel like you don't want me anymore?
This is the moment many couples recognize.
When the question finally comes out,
But the emotional meaning behind the question,
is often misunderstood.
she's not asking about attraction.
She's asking if she's still desired.
Aisha, we're just busy lately. That's normal.
It's not just busy. You don't look at me the same.
Desire isn't only physical, it's attention, it's energy.
It's how someone looks at you. When that changes, people feel it immediately.
I didn't realize you felt that way. I thought you were the one who wasn't interested anymore.
What?
You stopped initiating too.
Because you kept saying you were tired. This is where many couples discover something shocking.
Both partners felt unwanted,
Both assume the other lost desire,
and both reacted by pulling away,
not because love disappeared.
but because vulnerability felt dangerous.
I thought you didn't want me anymore.
I thought you rejected me too many times. I thought when you stopped initiating, it meant you weren't interested anymore.
No, it meant I was afraid you'd reject me again.
This moment is more common than people realize.
Two people pulling away from each other for the same reason.
Fear of rejection.
When rejection repeats, the brain begins protecting itself.
So instead of risking vulnerability again,
People withdraw.
I didn't want to pressure you, so I stopped trying.
I thought you stopped wanting me. Here's the truth many couples discover too late.
desire doesn't work the same way for everyone.
Some people feel desire first.
Others feel desire after emotional connection.
Neither is wrong.
They're simply different emotional systems.
When we're emotionally close, when we laugh and talk, that's when I start feeling desire.
For me, it's the opposite. Physical closeness helps me feel emotionally connected. That's when I feel closest to you.
And this is where many couples clash. One partner needs emotional closeness before intimacy. The other experiences emotional closeness through intimacy. Both are valid. But without understanding this difference, couples begin misinterpreting each other.
So, when you pull away,
It's usually because I feel disconnected emotionally.
This is the moment emotional safety returns, not because the problem is solved, but because understanding begins, and understanding removes fear.
Maybe we just needed to understand each other better.
maybe we were both protecting ourselves. I think I've been measuring your love the wrong way. I thought desire meant you wanted me the same way I wanted you.
I did want you just differently.
Many couples assume desire should look identical, but human desire is shaped by personality, emotions, upbringing, and stress.
So when partners compare their desire levels, they often conclude something is wrong, when the real issue is misunderstanding. People often think intimacy starts in the bedroom, but intimacy usually begins long before that. In conversations, in emotional safety, in feeling understood.
Maybe we can start doing something different. What if we focus more on connection and less on pressure?
I'd like that.
Here's something many couples discover. When emotional connection returns, desire often follows naturally. Not because someone forced it, but because safety allows attraction to breathe again.
Not feeling desire doesn't always mean your partner stopped loving you. Sometimes it means the relationship lost emotional safety. And emotional safety can be rebuilt.
If you've ever felt unwanted in your relationship, or felt pressured to want intimacy when you didn't,
You're not alone, and you're not broken. You may just be speaking different intimacy languages.
if this conversation felt familiar,
Share this episode with someone who might need it.
and tell us in the comments,
Have you ever felt undesired in a relationship?
or misunderstood,
Because honest conversations.
or how relationships grow again.
Subscribe to our channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you.